Okay, here is the update. Welcome back to another video. We are talking about the newest of the prop firms that I've joined. I found a prop firm site that actually promotes these prop firms. There's hundreds of them, I just noticed, and this is the one I went with because it has the least amount of parameters. One of them it's also cheaper, but the one that I needed was for the prop firm to not need stop losses. The EA that I'm trading doesn't use stop losses, so it doesn't have stop loss, and also they don't require a 1.5% or a max amount of trades. The minimum trading days is about 8 or 9. Let's go with 8, and then they don't also have a max amount of trading time, so I can trade this for as much as I need until I pass. Okay, so far we started with a 25K and we're up $50. We will go to 2400 as long as it takes a year, 2 years, uh, until they change the rules, maybe. Whichever the case may be, whichever is first. This is what we're doing. I actually plan to trade XAU when starting next week. The spreads are about 15 to 30, so on the off times the spreads are really high. So I want to keep spreads low. I want to trade only when spreads are 13 or 15 or less. And the drawdowns for my test for XAUs were about 200, and the maximal drawdowns were about 400. So if the math works out correctly, the absolute drawdown should be less than what the account requires before it's stopped out. So we'll go ahead and come back with another video as soon as we hit some more progress. And also, I've also limited the trading days and the trading time. So if you can see, we're only trading from 10 to 12 for this XAU pair. We could trade for more, but like I said, we want to minimize drawdown. Okay, we're only allowed 1,000 for drawdown, and this EA can do a lot more if you let it. So we want to control our risk and increase our profits. So until then, we will sign out and watch the progress. See you next time.